Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to create a task in Bitrix24 and set it to the repeat automatically. This is a great feature if you need to perform the same task regularly like checking emails, following up with clients or any daily weekly routine. So let's dive in and let's get started. First, log into your Bitrix24 account. Once you are logged in, head over to the task section. So in the left side menu, we will get that task and project section. Just click on that. This is where you can manage your all tasks and projects. Now click on the create option for the adding the task. This will open a new task creation window. So you have to just write your task name, that is I'm writing right now check mail. Okay, if there is any detailed description if needed, then you can add over there. Okay, and you can assign this task to the particular assignee or team member from your team. If you want to set the deadline, then you can choose the deadline and you can set it. So for the repeating task in the more section, just scroll down and then you will get the repeat task option. We have to just click on this checkbox. After clicking on the checkbox, you can see the multiple options, that is repeat term, that is day wise, week wise, monthly and yearly. This will open up additional options about daily, weekly, monthly and yearly, and then you can utilize this option to recur your task from the particular date. So if let's say you want to task the repeat daily, then you can set every one work day with an interval, then you can choose over there. Here you can create the task time so that on which time this task will recur. Also you can set the deadline from you want to make recurring this task after that date, so you can set accordingly. Here is the repeat until, so you want to set node end date, then you can choose. If you want to set any end date, then you can simply choose the recurring date also, that is end date. Once everything set up, then you can just click on the add task options, and here you can see our task has been created, that is check mail. After creating this task, it will repeat as per the setting you choose. You will get notified each time the task reappears on your to-do list. For example, in the notification bar, you can see I have created multiple repeating tasks. Here in the notification, we can get all the notifications, that is you can see new task added, that is template 1 repeating task, so recurring task. So I have already added multiple recurring tasks, and it is uh, it is appearing on that time which I have chosen while creating that recurring task. And that's it. You have now created a recurring task in Bitrix24. This is an excellent way to stay on top of routine activities without having to manually create a new task each time. If you have any more questions, then you can feel free to ask. So that's it for today's quick tutorial. For more videos and for more tutorials, do not forget. That's it for today's quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like button and subscribe for more helpful tips on Bitrix24. See you in the next one. Thank you.